Hello everyone, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build this Lego taxi. By getting a base of a car and placing a steering wheel right here, and a slope piece, a 1x2 slope piece right here, and then a 2x2 tile in the middle, and 1x2 pieces on each side. A studs on a side piece, and place a grill piece right here. Then place a 1x4 tile right under there. Then a 1x1 piece right here, and on the other side. Then get your slope piece and place like this, and put your rims for your car tires right here and right here, and connect it here on your build. Get all these pieces and connect them all together. Then create the same thing, but the opposite side. And place it here and right here. Get your studs on the side piece and place a 1x1 tile on this side and on the other side. Then place a 1x4 tile on the bottom and a license plate in between the tiles. And place this on the really back of your car. The next step is to get your rims and place them here. One on this side, and one on the opposite side, like that. Then place an L piece right here, and another L piece right here. Then get a 2x4 right here, and then get your glass piece and put it on the really back. Like that. Steps to get a 1x4, place it in between the steering wheel and the slope piece right here. And then get your glass piece and place it right there. Then get this roof piece, place it on top, and two white slope pieces, one on this side, one on the opposite side. The final step is to attach your tires. Thanks for watching.